Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to change oil in a Hyundai Elantra. First, gather all your necessary tools and supplies, such as a drain pan, a wrench, and the correct type of new engine oil. Make sure your engine is warm, but not too hot, as this helps the old oil drain more effectively. Always park your vehicle on a level surface and engage the parking brake for safety. Now, it's time to drain the old oil. Locate the oil drain plug, usually found at the bottom of the oil pan. Place your drain pan directly underneath to catch all the used oil. Carefully remove the plug and let the oil drain completely. This might take several minutes. Once it's fully drained, replace the drain plug and tighten it securely. Next, we'll replace the oil filter. Use an oil filter wrench to carefully remove the old filter. Be prepared for a small amount of oil to drip out. Before installing the new filter, apply a thin layer of fresh oil to its rubber gasket. This ensures a good seal. Hand tighten the new filter until it's snug, then give it an additional 1/4 turn. Finally, it's time to add the new engine oil. Consult your owner's manual for the correct type and amount, then carefully pour it into the oil fill port. After adding the oil, replace the cap and start the engine briefly to circulate the new oil. Turn it off, wait a few minutes, then check the oil level with the dipstick, adding more if necessary. For more great tips and resources, including a book that can truly change how you think about money, check the description below for links and other deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.